In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Google Calendar. This seamless integration allows you to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow, making your daily schedule more efficient. So let's dive right into setting it up. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a glance at the left sidebar. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled App Connections. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to managing all the apps you're integrating into Zapier. Now that you're in the App Connections page, if it's your inaugural visit, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Add Connection. That's your next step. Click this button to commence the process of linking a new app to your Zapier tool belt. If you've already got a few apps up and running, don't worry. Just look towards the top right corner where you'll find the plus Add Connection button. Click it and you're on your way. A new window will pop up inviting you to search for the app you'd like to add. Here, you'll want to type Google Calendar into the search field. Once you see Google Calendar pop up in the results, select it. This will direct you to a straightforward pathway toward linking your calendar. Upon selecting Google Calendar, you'll see the Add Connection button. Click on it, and you'll be whisked away to a Google sign-in page. Here's where you need to be a tad careful. Make sure you're choosing the specific Google account that matches the calendar you wish to link. A user-friendly interface will present you with your email options, so select the correct account. After that, Google will request permission for Zapier to access your account. This is crucial for the integration to function seamlessly. Take a moment to review the permissions. When you're ready, click Continue. Once these steps are complete, Zapier will redirect you back to their site. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message indicating that new connection to Google Calendar added. That's the moment when you know you've done it right. Your freshly connected Google Calendar will now be listed among your other app connections. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Zapier with your Google Calendar. This setup will allow you to create zaps to automate your calendar tasks such as scheduling events, sending reminders, and more. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy automating.